Hello children, nice to meet you again in your Maths online class. Are you happy? Say yes or no? Yes, children. With the same joy, we can now start the Maths class. Okay, listen carefully. Children, first lesson, that is large numbers, is completed. If you have any doubts from large numbers, then ask me your doubts through comments. Okay, today we are going to learn about second lesson, Roman numerals. Okay, today we are going to learn about second lesson, Roman numerals. Okay, Romans invented some symbols which were used to represent numbers. Okay, these symbols were quite different to the ones we use today. Okay, in previous class we studied Roman numerals up to 100. Yes, children. So we know that there are a total of 7 symbols in the Roman system of numerations. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Roman used 7 basic symbols to write numerals. Okay? All of you look at the board. The value of all the 7 Roman numerals equivalent to the Hindu-Arabic numbers. Okay? So here given Roman numerals. Roman numerals are 7 symbols. Okay? That is I, B, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. Roman numerals are 7 symbol. That is I, B, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. Here I stands for the Hindu-Arabic numbers 1. I stands for the number 1. Okay. B stands for the number 5. X stands for 10. L stands for 50. C stands for 100. D stands for 500. And M stands for 1000. Okay. All of you listen. Nalla kavani. Nama Roman numerals nammalukku ethana symbol undu? 7 symbols. Okay. That is I, B, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. Here I stands for 1. அப்போ 1 எழுதணும்னா நம்மளுக்கு ரோமன் நியூமரல்ஸ்ல எப்படி எழுதணும்? I. Okay. So I எழுதணும்னா நம்பர்ல எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? 1. So I stands for 1, 1 stands for I. Okay children, are you clear? And B stands for 5. But 5 can be written as in the Roman numerals B. Okay. So X stands for 10. 10 can be written as in the numeral form X. Okay. L stands for 50. So 50 can be written as in the Roman numerals form L. Okay. C stands for 100. 100 means C. Okay children. D stands for 500 and M stands for thousands. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Here Romans did not have a symbol to represent the digit 0. Okay. There is no 0 in the Roman system. Okay? Yes. Now, Roman numerals did not have place value. Okay? Roman numerals did not have place value. The numbers from 1 to 99 formed by combining just 4 symbols, that is I, B, X and L. Okay? The numbers from 1 to 99 formed by combining just 4 symbols, namely I, B, X and C. Okay. Even through Roman numbers are not widely used here. We use them in clocks and classroom numbers in schools. Yes children? Yes or no? உன்னோட class எழுதும்போது கூட நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம்? Roman numerals எழுதுவோம். அப்படிதானா? See the example class 5th. So 5 stands for B stands for 5. Okay. So you are studying in 5th standard. That's why I also using here Roman numeral. Class 5th. So here 5. This is B stands for 5. Okay. Okay children. Yes. Now all of you look at the board. Here some important rules are given. Okay. So now let us learn some rules that we follow while writing Roman numerals. Okay. And the first rule. Listen carefully. Your first rule is I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. Okay. Here Roman numerals 7 are there, but here I, X, C and M. Okay, these symbols I, X, C and M. These symbols can be repeated only 3 times. Okay, I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. But the symbols B, L, D cannot be repeated. This symbol B, L, D. This is cannot be repeated. Okay, children? Do you understand? The first rule is I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. The symbols B, L, D cannot be repeated. Okay? Are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the second rule. When I, X, C are written before the larger number, it is to be subtracted. Okay. When I, X, C are written before the larger number, it is to be subtracted. And third rule is when I, X, C are written after the larger number, it is to be added. Okay. For you see the example in second rule, IV. Okay. IV. So, IV stands for எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும் IV-னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் 4 அப்படிதானா so IV stands for 4 okay so இங்க என்ன இருக்கு larger number உன்னோட I எங்க இருக்கு written before the larger number this is the larger number 5 stands for B stands for 5 I stands for 1 so here I is written before the larger number okay before the larger number that's why it is to be subtracted so 5 minus 1 is equal to your answer is 4 suppose BI stands for 6 yes or no நம்மளுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும் BI வந்து என்னது 6 எப்படி வந்துச்சு இப்போ நீங்க பாரு I வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு I is written after the large number so it is to be added okay children clear so large number ஓட முன்னாடி beforeல இருந்துச்சுன்னா small number நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் sub பண்ணணும் அதே இது larger numberக்கு முன்னாடி that's a after the number is larger number is there it is to be added okay clear and one more example you see that one more example XL okay here X stands for 10 and L stands for 50 here big number is L yes or no 50 is the big number so 50 stands for L so X is written before the large number so it is to be subtracted so 50 minus 10 is equal to your answer is 40 so XL stands for 40 okay now that is one more number one more example LX here L stands for 50 and X stands for 10 okay here the large number is L now X is written after the large number so it is to be added so 50 plus 1 is equal to 10 புரிஞ்சுதா IXC இந்த 3 சிம்பலையும் before the large numberக்கு முன்னாடி அதாவது before the large number இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம அதை என்ன செய்யணும் subtract பண்ணணும் அதே இது after the large numberல இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை என்ன செய்யணும் add பண்ணணும் okay clear yes children listen carefully when IXC are written before the large number it is to be subtracted okay for example here XL okay XL here L stands for 50 X stands for 10 but here X is written before the larger number so it is to be subtracted so 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 okay same only X is here written after the large number so it is added it is to be added so your answer is 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 okay children now clear yes So first rule finish, second rule finish, third rule finish. Now you come to the fourth rule. Okay. BLD or cannot be repeated for than once. Okay. Already we have studied. Yes, children. I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. B, L, D cannot be repeated for more than once. Okay. These 4 rules are very, very important. Okay, children. Now, all of you take your classwork note. Children, now all of you take your classwork note. Take new page. Okay. Second lesson. So that's why you take new page. Children, all of you take your classwork note. Take new page. Write today's day and date and write the heading Roman numerals. Second lesson, Roman numerals. Children, all of you take your classwork note and take new page. Write today's day and date and write the heading. Second lesson, Roman numerals. Okay. Now write it in your classwork note. Copy it. Use the scale when drawing the line. Okay, children. Here tables are there. So, use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Okay. Do not draw the line without scale. Do you hear what I say? Yes. Are you listening? Yes. Okay. So, use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Okay. Do not draw the line without scale. Write neatly. Write it in your classwork note. First of all, you draw the table and fill the numbers. Then after write the rules for writing Roman numerals. Okay. 4 rules are there. Write it in your classwork note. Write neatly, children. Write neatly. Write the headings to second lesson Roman numerals. After you draw the table. Okay. So use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Do not draw the line without scale. Okay. Write it. Then after you write rules for writing Roman numerals. Okay. First rule, I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. The first rule is I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. Second rule, when I, X, C are written before the larger number, it is to be subtracted. And third one, when I, X, C are written after the larger number, it is to be added. And fourth one, B, L, D are cannot be repeated for more than once. 4 rules are there, very, very important rules, okay, for writing Roman numerals. Do you understand, children? Write neatly and with your good handwriting, okay? Shape of the letters is very, very important, children. So, write with good handwriting, okay? Are you listening? Write fast. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Now come to the problems, okay? First question. Write Roman numerals from 1 to 25. Okay. All of you listen. Write Roman numerals from 1 to 25. Okay, children. Now let us start. First number 1. Okay. So 1 can be written as, how will you write in Roman numerals? I. Yes, I stands for 1 only. Okay. So that's why 1. Sorry, I. Okay. So next 2. 2 stands for, that is I plus I 2. Okay. So that's why I. Next 3. So 3 I. 3 times I. Okay, children. So 3 times I is 3. Next to 4. 4. First rule is there. I can be repeated 3 times only. Okay. So now 4. So how will you write? B minus I. Yes, children. That's why IB. IB stands for 4. Okay. Next to 5. So 5, that is B. 5 stands for B. Okay. 6. So B, I. 5 plus 1. B stands for 5. Here I stands for 1. So that's why B plus BI is equal to 6. Okay. Next 7. So BI. That means B stands for 5. 1 stands for, that is 1. I stands for 1. I stands for 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. Next 8. 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. Yes. 8 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? 5 plus 3. So 5 stands for B, 3. So 3 stands for I. 3 times I. Okay. I. Okay, children. Next 9. 9 can be written as 8. 8 plus, that is a 5 plus 4 means 5 plus 4 also there, but I can be repeated 3 times only. Yes, children. So 10 minus 1. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. நம்ம 9 5 plus 4 னு எழுதலாம். ஆனா நம்மளுக்கு I வந்து நம்மளுக்கு எத்தனை தடவை தான் வரும்? 3 times தான் வரும். So 4 times repeat பண்ணக்கூடாது. அதனால நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? 9 10 minus 1 னு எழுதலாம். சரியா? So 10 minus means 10 stands for X and here is subtracted. So அப்ப நம்ம I எங்க போடணும்? I எந்த சைடு போடணும்? Before the large number. Okay, the second rule. When I, X, C are written before the large number, it is to be subtracted. So that's why our answer is IX. So 9 means IX. Okay, IX stands for 9. Next 10. 10 already you know X. Okay, children. Are you clear? Yes. Now 10 up to 10 finish. Now you come 11. Okay. So 11. 11. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. Yes? 10 plus 1. Okay. So 10 plus 1. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. 10 stands for X and Y. 1 means I. That's why XI. Okay. Next 12. 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. Yes, children? 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So, 10 means X, 2. How will you write 2? 2 times I. Okay. So, I. Okay. Next 13. So, 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. So, 10 means X, 3. How will you write 3? 3 times I. Okay. I. 3 times I. So, that's why 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Your answer is 13. Okay. Next to 14. 14. Okay. So 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. So 12 means X 4. How will you write 4? IV. Okay. IV. Okay. Are you clear? X. Next to 15. Okay. So 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. Okay. Here 10 stands for X. B means 5. So XB. So XB stands for 15. Okay. Next is 16. So 16 can be written as 10 plus 6. Yes, children. So 10 means X and 6. Where is 6? 5. That is BI. BI means 6. So XBI. So XBI stands for 16. Okay. Now next is 17. So 17 can be written as 10 plus 7. Okay. 10 plus 7. Here 10. How will you write 10 in Roman numerals? X. Now 7. Where is 7? Here. So BII stands for 7. Okay. So that's why 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So BII. BII stands for 7. So that's why 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Okay. Now 18. 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. So 10 stands for that is X. 8 means BIII. Okay. BIII. So that is 18. So XBIII stands for 18. Okay. Now 19. 19 can be written as 10 plus 9. Yes, children? 10 plus 9. So 10 means X. 9. Where is 9? Here. IX. Okay. IX means 9. So that's why IX. So XIX stands for 19. Okay. 20. So 20 can be written as 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Here 10 stands for X. Yes, children? So 2 times X. 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 Okay. Clear? Now we want to write in up to 25. Okay. So now 21. How will you write 21? So 21 can be written as 20 plus 1. Yes. 21 can be written as 20 plus 1. So 20 means X. So X. Okay. 2 times X. That means 21. So 1 stands for I. Okay. So that's why XXI stands for 21. Okay. Next is 22. So 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. So 20 means X. 2 times X. 2. How will you write 2? I. So XXII stands for 22. Okay. Next is 23. So 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. So 20 means X. 3. 3 times I. Okay. I. So XXII stands for 23. Okay. Next to 24. So 24. 20 plus 4. 24 can be written as 20 plus 4. So 20 means XX. 4 means IB. Okay, children. So XXIB stands for 24. Okay. Next 25. So 20 can be written as 20 plus 5. So that's why 20 means XX. 5 stands for B. Okay. Are you clear? Yes, children? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. Write Roman numerals from 1 to 25. Okay. Write it. First you write problems heading. Okay. Then after you write the question, write Roman numerals from 1 to 25. Okay. Write fast. Write neatly, children. Write neatly and write carefully. Okay. Write neatly. Write neatly, children. Write the question and answer. Okay. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு 1 to 10 வரை தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும் எல்லா நம்பரையும் எழுதிடலாம் சரியா ஸோ அப்போ நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் 1 to 10 வரை ரோமன் நியூமரல்ஸ் எப்படி எழுதணுங்கிறத முதல்ல நல்லா படிச்சுக்க ஸோ அது தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும் மீதி இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன செய்திடலாம் அழகா எழுதிடலாம் சரியா Okay, children. I hope you have written. Now, the second question. Write the Roman numerals for the following. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. There are also Roman numerals coming. So you put A, B, C, D, E. Okay, children, all of you look at the board. You see the question. Write the Roman numerals for the following. Okay. So here Hindu Arabic numbers are given. Okay. Hindu Arabic numbers are given. We have to write the Roman numerals. Okay, children. Yes. Now what is given? A part. That is A question. 13. So 13. How will you write in the Roman numerals? 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. Okay. 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. Listen all of you. Don't write. Okay. 10 can be written as 10 plus 3. Your symbols are, say, Roman numerals. Roman numerals are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay. Here I stands for 1, B stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for thousands. Okay. This is very, very important. Okay, children. Now you say 10 stands for X. Okay. So X, 3. So 3 is the, so 3 times I. So that's why X, I. Okay. So X, I stands for 13. Okay. Now next one, 51. So 51 can be written as 50 plus 1. Yes, children. 50 can be written as 50 plus 1. So 50 stands for L. Okay. 50 stands for L. So L plus 1. So here 1. So I. Yes or no? I stands for 1. So that's why Li. So Li stands for 51. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now 400. 400. But you have to know 100 means C. Okay. But here 400. But your first rule, I, X, C, M can be repeated only 3 times. Okay. Here 400 is there. So, C cannot be repeated 4 times. Yes, children. So, what to do? 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Yes, children. 400 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 500 minus 100 எழுதலாம். ஏன்னா 400 நம்ம 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 ன்னு எழுதக்கூடாது. ஏன் எழுதக்கூடாது? 100ங்கிறது C. C is never repeated more than 3 times. Okay. So that's why 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? 400 நம்ம 100 plus 100 plus 100 ன்னு எழுதக்கூடாது 4 times. ஏன் எழுதக்கூடாது? That's the rule. Okay. So 3 times மட்டும்தான் எழுதணும். அப்ப நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் 400? 500 minus 100 எழுதலாமா? Yes. Okay. Now what is the meaning? What is the 500 stands for? D. 100 stands for C. So how will you write? Here is subtraction is there. So second rule. Second rule is there. Yes. C are written before the larger number. Okay, children. Before the larger number. So D means 500. So that is D. Now 41. So before the larger number means before. 100 means C. Okay. So that's why CD. So CD stands for 400. Okay, children. Are you clear? புரிஞ்சுதா? 400 எதனால நம்ம CD ன்னு எழுதுறோம்னு? நம்மளுக்கு 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Okay. Here 500 means D, 100 means C. But here subtraction is there. Okay. So your second rule is C are written before the larger number. That's why is to be subtracted. Okay children. So that's why your answer is C, D. எப்பவுமே D ஓட பிஃபோர்ல எழுதிருக்கணும். ஆஃப்டர் எழுதக்கூடாது. ஆஃப்டர் எழுதுனா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆட் பண்ணணும். பிஃபோர் எழுதுனா சப் பண்ணணும். So that's why your answer is CD. ஸ்மால் நம்பரை பெரிய நம்பரோட பிஃபோர்ல எழுதணும். சரியா? Okay. Now 400. CD stands for 400. Next 300. 100 stands for C. Okay. Here 300 only is there. So C, C, C. C can be written as 3 times. Okay children. So your answer is C, C, C. So C, C, C stands for 300. Okay. Next 101. So 101. So 100 means C. Okay. So 100 means C. So 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. Yes or no? So 100 means C. 1 means I. Okay. So that's why CI. CI stands for 101. Okay. Clear? Yes. Now you see that 757. So 757. How will you write 757? 757 can be written as 700 plus 50 plus 7. Expanded form. Yes? எழுதலாமா 757? 700 plus 50 plus 7. Now you say 700 means 700 can be written as 500 plus 200. Yes children? நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்க 757 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் 700 plus 50 plus 7 எழுதலாம் சரிதானா இப்போ நம்ம 700 எப்படி எழுதணும் நம்மளுக்கு 700க்கு இங்க சிம்பல் இல்ல ரோமன் நியூமரல்ஸ்க்கு அப்போ 700 எப்படி எழுதலாம் 500 wait one minute 757 okay so 757 can be written as 700 plus 50 plus 7 okay here 700 can be written as 700 plus 500 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7 okay so 500 plus 200 where is 500 here D okay so 757 means D 500 plus 200 okay here 100 is C so 200 means CC so D CC plus 50 L 7 stands for V1 what that is II okay children now clear nalla purinjika gavani 757 okay here 757 can be written as 700 plus 50 plus 7 okay 700 plus 50 plus 7 so 700 having no Roman numerals okay children so that's why again you split 700 can be written as 500 plus 200 okay so 500 can be written as D yes so D stands for 500 so that's why D CC 2 times 100 so that is 200 so D CC so 700 finished next you come 50 so L stands for 50 so that's why L D C C L next how much is the remaining 7 so 7 means that is 5 plus 2 so that's why 5 stands for V 2 stands for 1 that is II so your answer is D C C L V II okay are you clear yes now you come to the G part 40 so 40 can be written as 30 plus 10 yes yes or no yes so otherwise 50 minus 10 yes children That also 40. Yes or no? So here 50 stands for L and X stands for 10. Here subtraction is there. So subtraction means written before the large number. Yes, that's why it is to be subtracted. So 40 means XL. Okay, XL. Okay, yes children. So XL. So XL. So X stands for 10 and L stands for 50. But your X is before the large number. So that's why it is to be subtracted. Okay. So that's why 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So unoda number chinna number X vandu L ku munnadi irukku before the number large number. Okay. So that's why it is subtracted. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So XL stands for 40. Okay. Now 100. 100 stands for C. 857. So same. Okay. 857 can be written as 800 plus 50 plus 7. Here is 800 have no Roman numerals. So again you split. 800 can be written as 500 plus 300. Okay children. Here 500 means D 300. So 3 times C. Okay. So C. Next to 50. So L. So 7. 5. That is B. I. Okay. So D, C, L, B, I stands for 857. Okay. Next 900. So 900. How will you write 900? Say 900 can be written as 1000 minus 100. Yes children? 1000 minus 100. So here 1000 can be written as M. Okay. So M and 100 stands for C. Okay children. So here subtraction is there. So that's why CM. M is 1000. C is 100. உன்னோட C நம்ம என்ன செய்திருக்கோம் before the large number. M is the 1000. So large numberக்கு முன்னாடி before போடும்போது அங்க நம்ம என்னது நம்மளுக்கு it is to be subtracted. So okay. So that's why your answer is CM. Okay. So CM stands for 900. Next 1002. 1002 can be written as 1000 plus 2. Yes children. So 1000 stands for M and 2 stands for 2 times I. Okay. So MII. So 1002 stands for MII. Okay children. Are you clear? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. Okay. Second question. Write the Roman numerals for the following. Write neatly. Okay. Write neatly. Write carefully children. The symbols are very, very important. Okay. So carefully. First you write A, B, C, D, E, F. After you start G. Okay children? Write one by one. Okay? நீ எழுதும்போது left side எழுதாத F முடிஞ்ச உடனே G start பண்ணு. Okay? So write one by one. A after B, B after C, C after D, D after E. Then you write one by one. Okay? Like this. Write fast. Okay, children. Now all of you take your maths homework note. You write the maths homework sums. Okay, children. All of you take maths homework note. Have you finished? Okay, write it fast. Write fast, children. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Now, all of you take your maths homework note. Okay, write the maths homework. Children, all of you take your maths homework note. Okay, and write the question. Okay, children, this is the homework. Okay, write it in your homework note. Okay, children, listen one time. See the question. Write Roman numerals for the following. Okay, A 26. So 26 can be written as 20 plus 6. Okay, all of you listen. 26 can be written as 20 plus 6. Okay, 20 plus 6. So 20 value you know. Yes. So X stands for 20 and 6 also you know. Which symbol will come? 5. That is I, B plus I. Yes, children. That is BI stands for 6. 20 stands for XX. So XXBI. Okay, like this. So 26 stands for XXBI. Okay. Now 201. 201 can be written as 200 plus 1. Okay, children. Are you clear? Yes. Now 305. 305 can be written as 300 plus 5. Okay. So 100. 3 times 100 plus 5. That means 305. Okay. Next 70. 70 can be written as 50 plus 20. So 50 plus 20 is 70. Okay. 50 that is a numeral, that is a Roman numerals you know. 50 L. Okay. L stands for 50. plus 20. 2 times x. Yes, children? So that's why 70. Next, 30. 30 can be written as x plus x. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Yes or no? So that is 30. 56. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. Okay, very easy question. And G. 1001 can be written as 1000 plus 1. Okay, 800 can be written as 500 plus 300. Okay, 235 can be written as 200 plus 30 plus 5. So you put that arrow, that is Roman numeral symbols. Okay, children? Yes. Now 536. 536 can be written as 500 plus 30 plus 6. So what is the symbol of 500? 500 symbol. What is the 500 symbol? D. Okay. So D. 30 means X, X, X. Okay. So you put that symbol. Okay. 2000 can be written as 1000 plus 1000. So the symbol of 1000 is M. Yes, children. So 2 times M will come. Okay. Very easy question. 15. Okay. 10 plus 5 is 15. 29 can be written as 20 plus 9. 83 can be written as 80 plus 3. 415 can be written as 400 plus 15. But here 400 can split 300 minus 100. Okay. 400. நம்மளுக்கு எப்பவுமே 3 times தான் எழுத முடியும். But here 400 இருக்கு. அப்ப எப்படி split பண்ணணும்? 300 minus 100. That's the value of 400. Okay. So 415. Next 329. So 329 can be written as 300 plus 20 plus 9. Okay, children. So you write the Roman numerals for the following numbers. Okay. It is very easy only. So do carefully and do it yourself. Okay. We will see in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.